Moonlight fading blue, thoughts of only you. Life feels so true when you stay, when you stay. Stay with me tonight, hold me close so tight. Make everything right, be mine, be mine. Cluck, 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 let's dance around. Hens are the happiest birds in town. Pecking grain, laying eggs with cheer. Flapping wings, spreading joy here. Green jungle hens, they cluck and they play in the jungle, bright and sunny all day. Laying eggs so round and white. Sing with the hens, it's a wonderful sight. Hens in the jungle so green and fair. Fluffy feathers dancing in the air. Underneath the leafy trees, they lay eggs with gentle ease. Cluck, 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 hear the hens sing. In the jungle, joy they bring. From dawn till the end of the day, hens and eggs make life a ballet. Eggs so cozy, snug in a nest. Hens take care, they do their best. Little chicks will soon appear. In the jungle, we'll all cheer. So next time you're in the jungle, don't forget to sing this song, and you'll never regret. Green jungle hens, they're fun and free, a joyful tune for you.